In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitle on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to add the subtitle to. And once you're done editing the project, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the far right of your Final Cut software where you see the share button. You're going to click on share and you're going to click on export file. Now under export file, we're going to go to next. You're going to name the file and you're going to click on save. Now that our file is saved, we're going to go to the magnifying glass at the top of our screen. We're going to click on that and we're going to open CapCut. Now that we have CapCut open, what we're going to do is we're going to create project. And once the project is loaded, we're going to drag the file that we exported from Final Cut Pro and we're going to place it in our project. Now, once you have your project loaded, you're going to go to the navigation bar on CapCut where you see text. You're going to click on text and you're going to click on auto captions. Now from here, you're going to choose your language and you're going to click on generate. Once it's done generating, you can see the caption here, and this is default is on the white color, but let's highlight all of it and let's change the color to black. And you can see it being displayed on the screen here. Also, if you feel like the text on the subtitle is not to your liking and you'd like to reword it, you can highlight the text and you can come to captions on the far right. And here you can change some of the text. You can also change the size of your captions or subtitle by dragging the border around the text. And then you can also change the color to what you prefer. Now, once you're done editing the captions, you can also do some animations on the captions. But once you're done doing all that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the video footage and you're going to press the letter V for voice. You're going to press V and it's going to make the video darker. And once the video is dark, you can see it only leaves the caption. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your CapCut software. You're going to go to the navigation. You're going to go to file and you're going to go to export. And you're going to export the video from here. Now that we have it exported to the desktop, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and close CapCut. And we're going to drag our video to our Final Cut Pro. Now we should have the video matching the same length, but you realize once you play it, you're only going to get the black view. So to make the caption and the video that we have in CapCut Pro blend, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the editor panel on Final Cut Pro. We're going to click on the effects button and we're going to search for LUMAKEYER, Luma Keyer. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag the Luma Keyer effect to our captions video. And once we drop it on our captions video, you can see that it's now transparent and we can see the captions on the actual video. Now that's how to add subtitles on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.